Good day doodlers, welcome to Draw Cartoons. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the surprised Pikachu meme. You're going to need a pencil, paper, an eraser, and a Sharpie to go over your sketch with. Let's go! Let's get started. But first, if you want to learn to draw the fast and easy way, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Let's begin! So let's begin by drawing a big kind of hill shape with your pencil. Get your pencil ready and just gentle strokes. We're going to rub out any guidelines later. These are just guidelines for the time being. But just draw this kind of hill with a flat top. And don't draw it too tall. Don't draw it too wide. Try and get the shape that I'm drawing here. So as you can see, it's actually wider than it is tall, really, I guess, if you turned it over. But try and get that shape down. And once you've got that shape, the rest of the drawing is actually quite easy if you've got that down. So starting here, just going to draw the side of the face. It's just kind of like a cushion shape that comes off the side and then dips back in when we reach the neck. Once we've gotten there, we can draw in the two ears. So there's going to be one ear here and one here. Start just above where it begins to curve down and draw a line out to a point and then come back on yourself and finish around this point here. Around there. Finish off with just the little black tip on the end. Just that, there you go. And then we'll draw the other ear here. So we're going to start here just before it begins to curve down again. We're going to draw a line that curves up and across to a point, and they're going to bring it back down to kind of come in where the, more or less where the forehead is here. Okay? If it helps, you can actually draw a line from one side to the other to see just how well the ears match up. You can see I've gone a little bit too far down on mine. They don't have to be perfect though. If you're happy with how you've drawn your ears, we can move on. Just add that little black tip to the end of the ear there, and we'll move along. So we'll draw one of the red cheek dots in. This one's quite easy to aim, so to speak. We can just kind of draw a circle here where the cheek kind of sticks out the most, in this kind of area here. Now that we've got that cheek down, the rest of the face is actually quite easy to draw, because we can draw a line straight through the middle of this circle and keep going across the face. Just draw a gentle straight line from left to right. And this means we now know where the other cheek's going to go, because it needs to go through the middle of this line, right? So I'll draw a circle here on this side of the face, and making sure that the line that I just drew goes through the center of the circle, kind of cutting it in half. And now that those two are in place, I know where the mouth is going to go. The mouth needs to go between the cheeks. It's going to go here, because that's where a mouth is on any face, really. So the easier way to draw the mouth, it's got a bit of a funny shape, but I think the easiest way to draw it is actually a bit of a square. So we'll come down just gently with your pencil, because you are going to erase a lot of these lines really soon. So just draw a square like this, with the top kind of sitting along the guideline. And once you've drawn that, we can just round out this bottom left corner quite a lot. Okay, and if it helps while you're kind of going along, just kind of erase the sharp edge with your eraser, just very carefully, kind of rub out that shape. It might save you being distracted by guidelines you've already drawn. And we can round off this corner a little bit, not as much, just a little bit, because that's where the tongue kind of ends. We can round the top up a little bit and round the side out a little bit like that. So we're just kind of building the shape of the mouth. Might want to rub off that hard corner there. Okay, and maybe if this is looking a bit too sharp here, just kind of tickle that away with the eraser, and you'll end up with this kind of rounded blocky shape for the mouth. So when you go over this with a Sharpie, it'll look pretty much just right. So we're going to move on to the rest of the face. We've just got the eyes and nose to go now. So directly above the center of the mouth, don't draw this, I'm just showing you, a line that goes straight up. The nose is going to be about here, right above the center of the mouth. So right here, let's just draw an arrow or a triangle that's pointing downwards. And now that the nose is in the right place, we can actually figure out where to draw the eyes. So the eyes will sit along, if you just draw a straight line either side of the nose, just from left to right and right to left, like that, the eyes actually sit along this kind of plane. Okay, the eyes don't go under it. So one eye is going to be sitting here, not quite above the cheek, just kind of to the left of this cheek, just a bit across, just a plain, a simple circle. You can add a bit of a shine here if you want. There's a bit of shine in the original drawing. And the other eye sits pretty much in this sweet spot between this cheek and this mouth. You want to kind of draw this circle in here. Okay. Gently with your pencil, just try and get as circular a shape as you can. I think my circle's a bit too short. I'm just going to kind of fix that there. Okay, and then you can add a shine here, because there is, again, in the original drawing. And our sketch is already done, so get your Sharpie ready. Go over the lines you want to keep. Don't go over any of these guidelines here, these ones. You don't want to go over any of those. Just go over the lines you want to keep, and you'll have an awesome surprise Pikachu drawing. Make sure you only go over the lines you want to keep with your Sharpie. This is a great time to correct any last mistakes you spot as you go over it and fix them. Once you're done, well, there it is. A very surprised Pikachu. While you're here, if there's something you want to learn to draw but I've not made a video about it yet, let me know in the comments, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video. Until next time.